So the previous video might have scared you and now you're here to ease your fear. If you haven't watched that video, then I'd recommend adding this video to your queue. While broccoli is a highly nutritious vegetable, consuming too much of it can have negative effects on the body. Here are some potential negative effects of eating too much broccoli. And by the way, I will also share what to do if you already suffer from any of these problems, so stick around until the end. Let's begin with number 4, digestive issues. Eating too much broccoli can cause digestive problems like bloating, gas and diarrhea. This is because broccoli is high in fibre, which can be difficult to digest for some people, especially in large amounts. Number 3, interference with nutrient absorption. Broccoli contains compounds called goitrogans, which can interfere with the absorption of iodine in the body. Iodine is an essential mineral for thyroid function, and the lack of iodine can lead to thyroid problems. While this is unlikely to be a problem for most people, individuals with thyroid problems should exercise caution when consuming large amounts of broccoli. Like and subscribe right now because I just saved your body from a painful journey. Now number 2 is kidney stones. Broccoli is high in oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Eating too much broccoli can increase the risk of developing kidney stones. And now the first one and the final one is allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to broccoli or other cruciferous vegetables. Consuming large amounts of broccoli at once can trigger allergic reactions like hives, itching and swelling. It is essential to note that these negative effects are rare and generally occur only when consuming very large amounts of broccoli. In moderation, broccoli is a highly nutritious vegetable that can provide numerous health benefits. However, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Now, you might already be experiencing some of these issues, or you might simply be wondering about natural solutions that can help reduce these issues. Either way, you should know how to deal with these problems. So I have made a video designated to just answer that question. So watch it now and don't forget to like and subscribe.